At heto na naman tayo sa paborito kong tindahan sa Inglaterra, Pinoy Store, at tayo ay mamimili ng ating food cravings today, ang Buko Pandan. At sino nga ba ang makakapagsabi na imposibleng magbuko pandan dito? Kayang-kaya sa pamamagitan nito. Kaya tara, let's umpisahan na natin. First, maglagay ng 2½ cup of cold water in a bowl and then dissolve this 1 sachet of gelatin. Stir, stir, stir. Then, transfer to a saucepan. Then, simmer it to heat before transferring to a molder. By the way, kung bago pala kayo sa channel na to, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated. Then, be careful in transferring this to a molder because it's too hot. Let it cool first and wait for it to be in a solid state. Then, let's proceed to the fun part. Nagpatulong ako sa mga bata with this part. I-slice ang gelatin into small squares or rectangles. Actually, ito yung most requested dessert ng mga bata. It's because they like to play and cut this wiggly-woggly gelatin, sabi nga nila. Yun nga lang, napapatagal lalo. But here's the trick to do it quicker. O, diba? Tapos agad? Then, we have here 2 plastics of shredded coconut kinayud na buko. Thaw it first and remove excess water before transferring to a bigger mixing bowl. Oopsie daisy, dumulas. Then, let's dump everything. First, the gelatin. At ginamitan ko rin siya ng isang boteng kaong. Kahit hindi magkakasunod ang pagkakalagay, it won't affect the taste. Then, I have here 1 can of condensed milk. If you want it sweeter, you can add more. But for me, this is already perfect. Then, sinunod ko po ang ating cream. Double cream ang ginamit ko dito. You can use any cream if you want. Mix, mix, mix. We are nearly finished. By the way, saang lugar po ba kayo nanonood ngayon? I-comment nyo naman para makilala ko naman kayo. Then, last ingredients but not the least is the pandan flavors. About 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then, we're done. And put it in a fridge before serving. Mas masarap kasi kung mas malamig. And now, my favorite part, tasting time. And again, thank you for watching.